GM everyone, we are back. EGLD is green, and this is an emergency video, to be honest, because I think that everyone is going to FOMO. Everybody will want to buy in, everybody will want to be part of the party, and these are dangerous times because at this moment we don't know why EGLD pumped. Obviously we know that the genie is out of the bottle, that the supply is now shocking the demand or the other way around, and EGLD is waking up. We are waiting for this for a very long time, and obviously it is good to see the God candle. The God candle, which is right now, right here, it is at $49.75, but we were as high as $52.55 for today or over the night. Actually, it was just a couple of hours ago. Now, I want to talk about what is going to happen, what I think is going to happen, what I bet on. However, I have to say that this looks very good. It is good for TA, it is good for supply and demand, it is good for a mindset, for marketing, it is good for everything, because what is a better marketing than your token is mooning, that your token has a 55% gain. Obviously, it is the best marketing. Now, obviously, I can see many tweets about EGLD is going up and it's great, and we need to be part of this big move. However, there are a couple of things which you need to know before you buy in, before you FOMO in, because I know that right now you feel the urge of FOMO and you're banging your head into the wall. Why didn't you buy more EGLD at $23? And why were you so ignorant that you just let it pass and you were thinking that, hey, the team will just sell even more, or maybe not the team, maybe somebody else with a big bag, and EGLD is going to go to the $10. Everybody feels that way who didn't buy in. And I want to say that you shouldn't feel that, because we are at $50 right now. Okay, we are at $50. We have so much more to go. We have a 10x from here, and obviously from 23 it will be 20x. However, if you are with us for some time, you already have some EGLD, and you shouldn't want to catch all the small bottoms, because it is impossible to catch. This is how the chart looks like on the 3-day time frame, and what can I say? We have so much to grow, and if the gain continues like that in this space, which, just be careful, okay? I don't want to be a perma bull just after 50% growth, because EGLD owes us a lot more of gain. However, if it continues like that, I think that yeah, the all-time high is going to be broken very fast or very easily, and let's see where we go from there. But right now we are at $50, and I want to show you what I expect to happen and what caused this big pump. First of all, let's see what was the reason, what could be the source of this big pump. And I want to quote xFodrus or Foudru, I don't know, excuse my French, tweet, because this is kind of speculation, this is kind of manipulation. And on Upbit Global, EGLD hit $150. There were lots of bot activities sending in and out EGLD from Binance as well, and he was updating this tweet, this thread continuously, where he explained everything, you know, how the movement is going on, and there was also some UTK coming out from the platform. So I recommend you to read this thread. I will put it in the description, you can find it there. And yeah, just make sure that you understand why this is happening. And also, this is why it could be a bit dangerous, okay? Because right now, if everything is manipulated, not everything, but some, okay? Because this is more like a Kickstarter. They want to kickstart the price movement. They see that EGLD didn't move for so long and everything else, like 2x, 4x, 5x, 10x. And they want to see how the market reacts, okay? And how many people will FOMO, and that's how they make money. So be careful. However, this is good for us, and I tell you why. It's because of this, okay? It's because of EGLD is trending. EGLD is on the top gainers. EGLD is on the big bubble, okay? Bubble, not like we call market bubble, but on the crypto bubbles. It is there. Anytime people check it, they will see that EGLD is there. They will check the project, they will check what is happening, the tweets, the community, and they will see that they have great products, they have great services, and the card is out, obviously, for which I just signed up, by the way. I am waiting for verification. I need to see if the verification is done already. So yeah, careful with this. However, we do have some TA to follow up on, because I do have some theories here. Okay, now I said yesterday, the day before yesterday, that EGLD should or needs to break through the $38 because that is the trend pivot. Okay, that is where the trend pivots. That is when people will consider EGLD in the uptrend. It will be considered as a gainer, and well, we can say that it is broken, right? I mean, we were at the 52 something. Now we are at 49. Not bad, still not bad at all. I was expecting some kind of a correction, some kind of a consolidation, and here is what I think will happen. Now, excuse this messy chart, but everything has some meaning to it. Okay, everything is important here. We have the falling wedge. Okay, that is going on for a year or two, or I don't even remember. It was June 20, so almost a year and a half. So we have that, okay? We broke out of that. That was holding the price for very, very long. In the meantime, we had the $38, which is the last lower high, okay? That needs to be broken, that needed to be broken in order to consider that we have a new higher high, which we have. Even if it's a week, it's a higher high. That's 100%. In the meantime, we have also obviously the 42 or 44 something, which is a smaller one. So I'm just gonna delete it in order to make this a bit cleaner. And now we have a new resistance, and that is the 55-ish. Okay, you can see that it came back right here to the 50, I mean, just below to 52. And in the meantime, we also have, for this big move, if this doesn't continue but starts to consolidate, we have the Fibo attached, okay, like applied. Okay, in the meantime, I need to check if you can see everything. Yes, you can. Nice. Now you can see that the RSI is at like almost all-time high, not all-time high, but it's very high. So, but we don't consider that in a bull run because RSI can just go up and up and up and up. However, we do need to find a retracement scenario. Okay, so here is the two scenarios I'm thinking about. If EGLD continues to go up and breaks through, so let's do something like this. Okay, something like this. If it goes through this 55 resistance, okay, and confirms somewhere there, that is going to be a very nice uptrend continuation, okay, and we can say that, okay, this is the support, this is what we are looking at right now. So as long as it holds the 55, then we are continuing this uptrend, okay, this aggressive uptrend. In the meantime, while I don't think that this is very possible because the price already turned back a bit, I think that we have a much safer buy-in zone, okay? And that is still the 39, 38, 40, somewhere there. You can see this circle here. I'm gonna just zoom in on it, okay? Now this buy zone is defined by two confluences from my side. One is the Fibo, okay, from the bottom to the top, and the retracement is at 0.382. Now it is a very optimistic one, okay? Let's keep that in mind, that this is an optimistic one because the 0.5 is also in the cards. That's why the circle is here, okay? Let's say that, okay, if we are very bullish, maybe it will not touch it, maybe it will turn around somewhere here, we don't know. If it touches it, then that is like a good sign that, okay, maybe it will turn, but we need confirmation. But if it goes lower and we see a weaker price, then it can easily go down to 0.5, okay? So keep that in mind, that this zone is where I believe and I think that EGLD will turn back. Now this is in case that there is a confirmation of a bounce, okay, and it's very much needed. However, I do think that right now we are in a bull market, we are in an uptrend, hopefully. And if Bitcoin continues to do what it does, and that is the above 35,000, then I don't see why EGLD wouldn't start to go up. I don't think that people will start to sell at $40 or $50 because we are just entering in the God mode. So yeah, we will just probably go up. So if you want to buy more, if you want to DCA, this is a good one, okay? This is a good zone to DCA. If we turn, the market turns, and we do something like that, then that is a downtrend, okay? That is a downtrend, and if we go below the 0.5, we can break up, we break the 0.5 here, then yeah, that is bad news for us. That is something which we don't want. So keep these three scenarios in mind because that is very important, okay? First, breaking through the 55 and confirming on it, buy zone, because continuation of uptrend. Second, correcting back, 38, 39, maybe the lowest 35, that is still okay. That is still okay because it's not a lower low, it's still a higher low, and that is a good buy zone for DCA, obviously. And the second one, if goes below this one, below the 0.5, goes back, breaks it, then it's a short position. So that is what I think are the three most possible scenarios. Out of these, I think the yellow one for me is the most probable. I think the yellow one will happen. However, the market can turn. Therefore, with the market, I'm also changing my opinion, changing my view, because that is what you do. You check the market, you see, is it up or down, and then you change what you think, because you need to be realistic. No optimism, no pessimism in the market. Realism. Hit the subscribe button if you find this helpful, obviously, and the like and everything, all kind of buttons you see. You can hit the dislike button twice if you didn't like this content. And yeah, I see you in the next one, probably on Tuesday, or maybe even tomorrow. Let's see how the market reacts, and we will review our assumptions and corrections and everything else. Take care.